What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be going over Pocket Matix. Pocket Matix is one of the many trading robots made by Tradematics. And each of these trading robots is supposed to provide a automatic trading service to their respective trading platform. So in the case for Pocket Matix, its respective platform that it's built for is Pocket Option. Today, we're going to be reviewing whether or not Pocket Matix is a scam or a legitimate platform. So let's begin. What is Pocket Matix? Pocket Matix is an AI-powered trading robot developed by the Tradematics entity. Tradematics is a company registered in St. Vincent as well as the Grenadines. And its platform is designed to be used with, Pocket Option. Some of the key features that they mention is their AI automation, which enables automatic trading across various assets. In terms of what assets they support trading in assets like indices, metals, and commodities, and more. In terms of the user interface, they do offer a pretty beginner-friendly design and pretty easy setup with customizable trading robots. And as for support, they do provide 24 hours, 7 days a week customer support. In terms of their claims, they claim they have a 63% bid accuracy or a 63% win rate in terms of all their trades, and about $2.2 million in allocated funds, with over 2,246 active traders daily using this app, and an average deposit of $230 every time. Some legal disclaimers to consider. Pocket Matix does operate without regulation from financial authorities. As mentioned in their disclaimer notes, it does say that Pocket Matix operates as an unregulated entity and engaging in trading through automated bots carries inherent risks. Users are to assume responsibility for their trading outcomes, as well as no guarantees in profits, with the potential for a complete loss of investment. Some data mentioned in their privacy policy that you may want to know is that they do collect personal information, including name, email, and usage data. As for what they do with the usage data, it is mentioned that they use for account management and service improvement. However, do keep in mind that third parties may share information with service providers. Another potential red flag that you may want to know is that their privacy policy and their data collection policy, you're not actually able to opt out of, or at least not that we know of. In terms of some information in their terms of use, they do have a eligibility where it does mention that users must be of legal age and fully competent. And there are also prohibited activities where unauthorized access and use of these automation bots means without permission. And if you were to somehow bypass and access without permission, the company does reserve the right to suspend accounts at any time. Some reviews that we found on external websites such as Scam Advisor, they do have a pretty decent trust score. However, some concerns are there is a lack of transparency and still a potential for fraudulent activities. In terms of the user reviews that we found, there is a common issue with difficulty withdrawing funds and a unresponsive customer service, as well as unprovoked account suspensions. In terms of the community feedback, there is limited presence on reputable review platforms and overall a mixed user feedback. In terms of their payment model and refund policy, there is no clear refund policy stated, as users report challenges in receiving funds. As for the payment model that they follow, it is a subscription-based application. In terms of regulatory status, yes, like we mentioned before, it is not licensed by any recognized financial regulatory authority, and it lacks the oversight of government or consumer protection measures. They do claim to offer 24 hours a day and 7 days a week customer support. However, the user experience say otherwise. In terms of the community feedback, there is limited presence on reputable review platforms, overall causing them to have a mixed user feedback. So just to summarize the red flags, there is a okay trust score on reputable review sites like Scam Advisor, and there is a lack of transparency as the ownership details are not public. Numerous reports of fund withdrawal issues and unresponsive support also raise a huge concern. So in conclusion, it's safe to access that Pocketmatics is moderate to high risk platform with multiple warning signs. You should always exercise extreme caution considering alternatives and regulated trading robot. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed the review. Peace out.